think the most important thing in real estate is just listening to the client. Well, I really love working with people from different cultures and different backgrounds. So I've traveled to over 30 countries by now, and I've really gotten a sense of different cultures and types of people. So recently I had a client, I brought him into the office and I told him, I need you to tell me everything you want, everything from the floor to the backyard, literally everything you can think of, I need you to tell me. And I took him to see a couple properties, and then one property hadn't hit the market yet, it was still off market. I told him, I was like, I'm not gonna send you pictures, I'm not gonna tell you anything about the house. You have to trust me on this. And he walked in and he said, Liannette, you're right, this is exactly what I said I needed. And 30 days later, he had keys in his hands. I once read that moving was one of the top 3 most stressful times in a person's life. And it's just kind of an honor to be there for them and with them, because once I know exactly what they're looking for, I can go out and find it for them. My name is Liannette, and I'd love to help you find your spot.